I am sure most of you have known or heard this English idiom that don't judge a book by its cover. But today I'll tell you a new idiom for business. Don't judge a company before its statistics. Are you wondering why? Let us understand in this video of importance and scope of statistics. Statistics is the science of collecting, organizing, presenting, analyzing, and interpreting numerical data to aid in marketing effective decisions. Now you know, right? As statistics collects the information, analyzes it, presents it, and does everything to get and make a perfect decision. Hence, don't judge a company until you know its statistics. The below are few definitions given by the researchers. Moving on, let us understand the scope or importance of statistics. The first one is statistics and planning. Statistics helps in making plans at all levels in business, economics, and government. For example, the Indian government uses statistics to plan how much food to produce or how much money to spend on roads, schools, and hospitals. In 1950, India started the National Sample Survey to collect data for planning. The next one is statistics and state or government. In earlier days, statistics was called the science of statecraft because kings used to plan armies and taxes. Now, governments use statistics to study prices, income, spendings, and production. It helps in creating better policies for welfare of people. The next one is statistics and mathematics. Statistics and mathematics are closely connected. It is because these both use numbers and formulas to study patterns. A special area called mathematical statistics was developed where maths is used to solve statistical problems. The next one is statistics and economics. A man named William showed the link between statistics and economics. Economists use statistics to study the link between income, production, consumption, and distribution of wealth, etc. And also, there is a new subject called econometrics, which combines maths, statistics, and economics. All this is done to predict and calculate the business functions. Continuing to that point, we have the next one, which is statistics in business and management. Businesses use statistics to make smart decisions. For example, a company might use sales data to decide which product to promote more. And also, a professor had given a definition about statistics where he says that statistics helps to make decisions when we are not sure about something. Because when you statistically analyze something, let it be the goods of a company, you will know how much you're producing and how much is being sold, demand, supply, everything can be calculated, and you can analyze on what to sell more and what to produce more and what to promote more. The next one is statistics in accountancy and auditing. Accounts uses statistics in cost accounting, auditing, and even in inflation accounting. It helps in checking whether the records are accurate and in predicting future expenses. The next one is statistics in insurance. Insurance companies use statistics and probability to decide how much premium to charge. Without statistics, insurance companies would not know how much risk they are taking. In 1691, they used life tables, which is a chart showing changes of dying at each age, to help start life insurance. The next one is statistics in physical sciences and astronomy. Scientists use statistics to study the physical world like stars, planets, or gravity. For example, Johannes Kepler used data to create laws about how planets move. And Newton then used that data to make the law of gravity. Moving on to the ninth point, we have statistics in social sciences. Social sciences like sociology and political science study people and society. Statistics helps them study things like birth rate, death rate, education levels, and population growth. It is used in surveys to understand what people think or do. The next one is statistics in biology and medical sciences. In biology and medicine, statistics help study diseases, treatments, and health problems. For examples, doctors use statistics to read ECGs and understand heart problems. Also, one of the professors has created the idea of correlation to study how things are related, like smoking and lung diseases. Now, in simple words, statistics is everywhere in school, hospitals, companies, governments, and science labs. It helps us make better decisions, solve problems, and understand the world better. Hence, these are the points which tells us the scope or importance of statistics. Thank you.